Most people think anti-aging means expensive serums, painful procedures, or endless supplements. But what if the secret to glowing, youthful skin was sitting right in your kitchen? Chia seeds and lemon, two simple ingredients that, when combined, form one of the most powerful natural remedies for aging skin, tired digestion, joint pain, and even low energy. It's a drink almost nobody talks about, but once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Let's break down how this humble mix can help you look and feel younger, from the inside out. Why this drink works: the perfect natural synergy. Chia seeds are tiny, but don't let that fool you. They're one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Chia seeds are, honestly, just packed with omega-3 fatty acids that help with inflammation. They're also rich in plant-based protein, which is great for muscle repair, and, they're loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells. Now, if you combine that with fresh lemon juice, you get even more benefits. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. It's also a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins and supporting the liver. Plus, once it's digested, it's alkalizing, helping to balance your internal pH. So together, this mix becomes a collagen-boosting, inflammation-fighting, hydration-powering elixir. And the best part, it takes less than 60 seconds to make. When consumed daily, this drink targets some of the most frustrating signs of aging, both visible and invisible. Here's what you might notice in just 1 to 2 weeks: improved skin texture and glow. The vitamin C from lemon boosts collagen, while chia seeds deeply hydrate from the inside. This helps reduce fine lines, dryness, and dullness. Better digestion and less bloating. Yeah, that's something we all want, right? Chia seeds actually form a gel in your stomach, acting like a gentle internal broom. They slow down digestion, feed your good bacteria, and help reduce gut inflammation. Less joint stiffness is another great benefit. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia help lubricate your joints and reduce pain. And when you combine that with lemon's anti-inflammatory power, many people start to feel looser and more mobile within just a few days. Natural weight support is a big one too. Since chia expands in your stomach, it keeps you feeling full longer and helps cut down on cravings. Plus, lemon supports fat metabolism by boosting bile production in your liver. This mix provides a powerful antioxidant boost, helping your body fight aging at the cellular level, not just on the surface. This isn't just tossing some seeds into water. To get the full benefit, you need the right method. Otherwise, you could end up bloated or wasting nutrients. Here's the correct, gut-friendly way to make it. You'll need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 glass, that's about 8 to 12 ounces, of warm or room temperature water, the juice of half a lemon, and if you like, a drizzle of raw honey, or maybe a slice of ginger. Alright, here's what you'll want to do. First, add the chia seeds to your glass of water. Then, stir thoroughly, and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Or, until the seeds form that gel-like consistency. Next, squeeze in your fresh lemon juice, give it another good stir, and finally drink it slowly. Oh, and here's a quick pro tip. Try to avoid drinking this on a full stomach. It actually works best on an empty stomach in the morning, or, between meals to really maximize absorption. Now let's go a little deeper into why this combo works so well. So, chia seeds are all about hydration, fiber, and omega-3s. The gel-forming fiber in chia seeds, well, it really soothes your digestive tract and slows down how quickly sugar is absorbed. Those omega-3s, yeah, they actually help reduce internal inflammation, which is a root cause of aging. And don't forget the protein, it's super helpful for maintaining muscle mass, which becomes especially important after age 50. Lemon juice, on the other hand, gives you collagen detox support and pH balance. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for repairing your skin and blood vessels. Plus, it boosts glutathione production, which helps your liver filter out toxins. And even though it tastes acidic, lemon juice actually alkalizes your system, and that's really key for cellular health and slowing down aging. When you combine chia seeds and lemon juice, they actually enhance each other's effects. Lemon helps your body absorb the minerals found in chia seeds, and the seeds slow down the digestion of lemon, giving your body more time to process it all fully. So this drink is safe and beneficial for most people, especially those over 40 who want to support collagen, digestion, energy, and skin health naturally. But, there are a few notes of caution to keep in mind. If you're taking blood thinners or on heart medication, it's really important to consult your doctor first. Chia is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may enhance those effects. And if you have GERD or acid reflux, lemon juice may trigger your symptoms. In that case, try a smaller amount, or maybe even replace the lemon with cucumber. Always start with a small portion, like half a tablespoon of chia, and work up gradually to avoid sudden bloating. Oh, and don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help chia move through your system smoothly. Most people start noticing changes within 7 to 10 days, especially in digestion, hydration, and energy. By week 3 or 4, you may start seeing smoother, brighter skin, reduced inflammation or joint stiffness, less bloating, improved gut regularity, and honestly, better hydration and reduced cravings. The key is consistency. 1 glass a day is better than doing it every few days. Just make it a simple habit, like brushing your teeth. Want to make this drink even more powerful? Here are a few simple additions you can try. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and skin healing. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and, boosts circulation. Mint leaves are soothing and digestion friendly. Ginger slices add warmth and can actually help relieve joint pain, and tossing in a few berries gives you vitamin C and antioxidants. Just remember, don't go overboard, keep the base simple and experiment 1 addition at a time. Aging doesn't have to mean feeling stiff, sluggish, or watching your skin lose its glow. But honestly, the real enemy isn't age. It's chronic, low-level inflammation, poor hydration, and nutrient loss over time. That's where this drink really shines. It's not some miracle cure, but it is a smart, natural way to fight back. Just 1 glass a day with ingredients that cost less than $1 can actually make a real difference over time. So tomorrow morning, go ahead and skip the sugary drinks and processed breakfast bars. Start your day with a glass of chia and lemon. Because honestly, the best anti-aging remedies aren't found in bottles. They're built in the habits we practice daily.